Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a fake camera movement to your videos on CapCut PC. So you are going to just select your video and you're going to scroll down and you're going to then select camera tracking. This is a pro feature. So you can choose either face, body, or hand, and it will basically track whatever there is. I'm just going to track the body, I guess. Just wait for that to process. You can fit to canvas. It will zoom in a lot though. Or you can go to AI movement instead and select either dynamic, zoom, shake, or soft. I'm going to select the dynamic one. I'm just going to wait for it to process, sorry. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!